Welcome on this tutorial. Wish all you are well. In this tutorial, I will share the information about how to type with different languages by using Google input tools. Here I will show how to download and install Bangla language. I have given the link in the description box. Just click the link and enter into the site from where you can download and install the language as per your choice. By using Google input tools, we may use any language like Bengali, Hindi, Urdu, Marathi, Telugu, Tamil, Odia, Gujarati, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Punjabi, Sanskritam, Persian, Russian, Spanish, Chinese, any language we may use. Just follow the same procedure which I am explaining here. Download and install your language and use it. Entering into the explanation, please subscribe. It is the only return of my efforts from you, and also it will encourage me to upload more and more informative tutorials. Before installation of Google input tools, I want to show whether we are able to write in different languages by using Windows language preferences. In the bottom right corner, there is an option from where I can choose language preferences. Here see, this is Bengali language. Now from where I got this Bengali language, I have chosen it from here. Language preferences, then add language. There are so many options, so many languages are here. I can choose any one which I want to use. I have used this one, Bangla Bharat. I have chosen this one and installed it. After installation, I got the option to select Bangla language. I have selected this Bangla language from here. Now I want to show whether I can write it properly by using this software or not. Say I am trying to write my name. In Bengali language it is Amar Nam. For that I am typing A-M-A-R-N-A-M. See here, instead of writing Amar Nam এটার পরিবর্তে অন্য কিছু একটা এখানে টাইপ হয়েছে. Instead of typing my name, something else has been typed here. So by using this Bangla language which has been installed with Windows, we are unable to write it properly. Or I can say, while we want to use QWERTY keyboard, that is normal English keyboard, to type in different languages, we may not get the output properly. We cannot use different languages through these language preferences attached with Windows. Now I will show how to type in different languages with general English keyboard by using Google input tools. Google input tools can be used online as well as offline. In my browser, I will search Google input tools. This is the first one, Google input tools. Entering into it, what I found home, try it out, on Chrome, on Google service. Previously in this position there was another tab. By clicking that, we could download or install this tool from here to our desktop or laptop. Somehow Google has removed that tool. That tool was very helpful. Now here I am entering this try it out. See, I got the option. Here I can choose different languages. See, there are so many languages. I can choose any language and write on that language. As I am from Bengal, say I am using Bangla. Now I can write here, say Amar Naam Shubhodip. See here, Amar Naam Shubhodip. Here I have written it in Bengali language. I can use any language from here. After writing this, just by copying and pasting, I can use it in anywhere. Say I am using it in my WhatsApp. Say I am sending same thing through my WhatsApp. Just copying and pasting here and I can send it. Now going back to the same page, the second option is on Chrome. Entering into it, I got download Chrome extension. I can download this extension to Chrome browser. How to download and install, I may get all the informations here. These are all the informations how to download this Chrome extension and how to install it. If I click this download Chrome extension, then Chrome extension will be downloaded and installed in my browser. I have already installed it. See here, this is the Google input tools in Chrome extension. Now how to type in different languages by using this Chrome extension. By clicking this, I am entering. I will select this extension option. There are so many languages are here. I am using Bangla language. adding this Bangla language, added here. See here, this Bangla language. I am selecting this Bangla language. Now I am able to write in Bangla script. Say I am writing here, Hey Amar Bharatbashi. Just by using normal keyboard, here I am able to write in Bengali language. So by using this Chrome extension, I may use any language, Bengali, Hindi, Odia, Tamil, Telugu, any language I can use. Now I am showing how we can use Google Input Tools offline. Means I can use any language in normal MS Word. There are few steps. I am showing all steps one by one. I need to download the software Google Input Tools. The link I have given in the description box. Go to the description box and click the link. You will enter into this page. Options for all the languages are here. If you want to download Hindi language, then this is the place where I will click. हिंदी के लिए यह क्लिक करें. Google Hindi input Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 10, 32-bit as well as 64-bit. I may download other languages also. See Bengali, Gujarati, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu, Farsi, Russian, Arabic. All the options of different languages are here. We may choose as per our requirement. In this tutorial, I am using Bengali language. There are the links from here. I can choose the language. See here, Google Bangla Input Tool, Bengali Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 10, 32-bit as well as 64-bit. Clicking this one. This page came, download Google Input Tools Bengali.exe. I will select this. I am not a robot. I have to verify it. Verify. Yes. Click this submit button. The download started. See here, Google Input Tools. There is an executive file. It will take a little time. It depends on internet speed. Google Input Tools Bengali.exe file has been downloaded. Taking it. Say this is the downloaded file, Google Input Tools Bengali.exe. Now installing this executive file, clicking it, run, yes. Google Input Tools setup wizard has been completed, finish. Google Input Tools Bengali has been installed. Now I am showing how it works or how we can use it. At the bottom right corner, see here, click the preference for language. Now see here, two Bengali languages are here. First one Bengali India, Bangla and script keyboard. Next one Bengali India, Google Input Tools. This top one is from Windows and the second one Bengali Google Input Tools. This is from Google Input Tools. So now I will select second one, Google Input Tools. Now I am showing how we can use normal English keyboard to write in Bengali font. Normal English keyboard use করে আমরা কিভাবে বাংলায় লিখতে পারি. Say I am typing Hey H-E Amar A-M-A-R Bharatbashi B-H-A-R-A-T-B-A-S-H-I. So say on the screen I am getting proper Bangla language. I am writing it into MS Word and I am able to write it properly. I may change the font size also. Say I may change the different font also. From this tutorial, I believe we got an idea how to type with my own languages. In the description box, a link is given. Just click the link, enter into the site, download and install your language from Google Input Tools and use it. We can use it online as well as offline. Please subscribe. If you face any problem, then put it into the comment box. I am always with you.